Fala galera, trago mais um vídeo aqui no canal para vocês, confira, espero que gostem desse conteúdo. Link na descrição do vídeo.
Multiplier payout 4 spins ago, so you know that's something to remember and tell your grandchildren about. 0 to 28, 100x for the 2. Double strike 28, 700x now. $22 black. 443 winners. Good job by Adjanol, LH, Oki, and everyone else. Betting time now. Oh, Kevin, you're welcome, mate. So, yeah, guys, you're playing any games? Any video games? Because, yeah, actually looking quite forward to play it. Man, that's close. What was the name of that roguelike for PS5? Where you're playing as a space lady with a gun. 11, 19, 28, 200x 28. $23 red. But yeah, looking forward to play that one. It looks fun. 503 winners. Good job by Samuel, Adjanol, Ricken, and everyone else. Placing your bets now. But yeah, right now I am consumed by Yakuza Ishin, so yeah, probably not gonna be playing video games for a month at least, because yeah, that game is huge, and yeah, gotta finish that one. 13, 30, 400x for both. Boom! Chain lightning. 1, 2, 10, 18, 29. Here we go. Four black. 362 winners. Good job by Dog, Team TML, Mara, and everyone else. Betting time, please. As soon as I was out, now the 5 red hit. Well, Irad, sometimes things like that do happen, but at the same time, that was not the last time we're gonna get 1000x. That's close, so hopefully we're gonna get it again. We're gonna get it soon. Let's see. 2, 10, 23, 200x for a 10. $17 black. Second black number in a row. 434 winners. Good job by Samuel, Lan, Ricken, and everyone else. Placing your bets now. Come on, please again. Hopefully, because actually this 1000x and the 5, it is our second 1000x. Well, at least, because we had 1000x in my previous session. That's close. We do have one here this time. We do still have time to play, and you still have my colleagues to play with, so you never know. 9 and 21, 100x 21. Three red. Well, someone's getting emotional. 426 winners. Good job by Mecha, MKL, Mecham, and everyone else. Placing your bets now. Please again now. Well, hopefully. So far, we do have a bit of a difficulty of, you know, to get a double strike. To even appear on the screen, so that's close. I hope they will start appearing soon again. Yeah. 20, 25, 33, 100x for the 25. Deja vu. Double strike in 23, 600x. Hey, they're back, guys. 34 red. And yellow red. Now I do have Deja Vu song in my head playing on repeat. 439 winners. Good job by Tangunesi, Robser, Daniel, and everyone else. Placing your bets, guys. Oh, come on, Noah. He wasn't that bad. Couple of seconds. Bets closed. Can't really even say that he said something bad, so. Well. Lighting numbers. 15, 21, 22, 50x, all three numbers. $27 red. Yes, big red numbers, guys. 474 winners. Good job by Mustafa, Daniel, King, and everyone else. It's time for bets. We'll make another spin. Head wants to see 16 with a multiplier. We'll see about that. Maybe we'll have. You never know. Also, I've closed your bets. Let's see our lightning numbers. They are 0, 7, 24. All of them are 100x. $30 red. 452 winners. Good job by Ponchan, Daniel, Lotto Lucky, and everyone else. Time for your new bets, guys. Guys, please. Place your bets. You'll do it for me. Bets are closed. Over. 3 lighting numbers. We've got 15, 21, 27, 200x 15. $29 black and oh boy, I need coffee really bad right now. 487 winners. A good job by VKKS, Daniel, Wilson, Mandela, and everyone else. Betting time, guys. Because, yeah, having coffee right now will be great. Bets are closed. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, look at my lightning numbers. Yeah, I show you my lightning numbers. Please respond. 15, 17, 23, 50x, all 3 of them. $6 black. Yeah, sorry.